Hi everyone. The purpose of today's tutorial is to show you how to respond to a VoiceThread slide. When you're on a response slide, you may already see comments ahead of yours that you may want to listen to before you add your own. There are a couple of ways that you can respond on a VoiceThread slide. The first is that you can hover your mouse at the bottom and you'll see a plus sign appear. If one doesn't show up right away, you can click towards the center and you'll see a plus sign. I'm going to click on this plus sign and you'll see several ways to respond to a VoiceThread slide. The three most common are text, audio, or video. Whenever possible, please choose the audio or video response since we are inundated with text comments throughout the rest of our course. I'm going to illustrate an audio comment right now. I'm going to click on the microphone and you're going to see a brief countdown to help you get prepared. And then I am beginning to record here. One of the things that you can do is you can just share your comment, or you can actually use these wonderful doodle pencils at the bottom. You'll see that there's a pencil here, but you can click on it to choose a color. So I've chosen purple here, and I may make my comment and make marks here. You can do numbers, you can circle, you can do arrows. And what's fabulous is that when you are done with your comment, these will disappear so that the next person has an opportunity to doodle. When you're happy with your response, you can hit stop recording. It will take a moment to upload. If you're satisfied with it, you can hit save. If you don't like your comment, you can hit delete and it will go away. Even if you've hit save and you've decided that you don't like that comment and you want to redo it, you can come here and hit the trash can and you can delete your comment at any time. The second way that you can respond is by threading. And if you notice by looking here, there is a circle response here, and that indicates that there is a thread. And what that means is that you can respond to somebody, you can click here and hit the arrow, and you can make a response that will thread. So I'll show you a threaded reply here. I hit the microphone. It's going to take a moment. I'm going to make my comment. I'm going to stop the recording, and I will save it. And what you'll notice is that there is a circle response here. That circle indicates that it was a thread, and instead of my response automatically going to the bottom, it actually goes right after the comment that I was responding to. And that is all. And you can respond as many times as you would like to. You can delete your responses and you can go back and thread. And what's wonderful about VoiceThread is that you can respond when it is best for you and then come back and listen to others' responses and respond back in kind. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much. Have a great day.